This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Monaco. Nestled at 2248 Windy Pines Bend in Virginia Beach, this stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home offers almost 2,300 square feet of elegant living space. Step inside to an inviting open-concept floor plan featuring a modern kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. The updated bathrooms, including a spa-like primary bath, add a touch of luxury. Located in a great neighborhood with sought-after schools, this home promises a perfect blend of style and convenience. Schedule a viewing today to experience it firsthand. September 13, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Monaco at 757-547-1234.